welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. So I have taken the 5-6 cards for you for the coming week. This particular prediction is based on the moon sign as well as the sun sign. So for the better understanding, I would suggest then try to check both your moon sign as well as the sun sign for the better guidance. So for the Aries people, I have taken the 6th card. So this particular week seems like that the Aries, someone close to you, maybe a friend or a partner or the co-worker, might bring up an issue that feels like a big deal. You could feel torn, especially if you have been hoping for a strong connection but find your difference standing in the way. Don't let those differences push you apart. Instead, focus on what brings you closer. Remember, sometimes opposites attract and help us grow. Use this as a chance to learn and strengthen your bond too. Now let's talk about the finances this particular week. So finances wise, there is a good news, Aries, that money related project you thought was stuck or cancelled, surprise, it's moving forward. This unexpected progress is sure to bring you relief and maybe even excitement. Just a quick tip, keep an eye on the things to catch and resolve any potential issues early in this week. Stay sharp and enjoy the momentum. As the weekend roll around, Aries, your friend or the family might start pulling you in a different direction with their own plans. You may feel like stuck about what to choose. Don't stress yourself. Pick the option that brings you the most joy and make you feel truly alive. This weekend is all about enjoying yourself. And so this week, Aries, remember, life is mix of challenges and the surprises. But with your own energy, you have got this. If you enjoy this cosmic update, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And stay tuned for more weekly horoscope like this. To enhance your luck in this particular week, try to donate jaggery to the needy coming Sunday. It will help you a lot. Taurus, so this particular prediction is based on the sun sign and the moon sign. If Taurus is your sun sign or the moon sign, then this particular prediction is for you. So I have taken the 6 cards for you. That seems like that this particular week, bring the joy by refreshing your own space. This week you might feel inspired to give your home or the office a fresh new look. Whether it can be a new painting or the wall or rearranging your furniture, trying out a new decoration style. Focus on enjoying the process and making the changes with a positive mindset will create a space that feels happier and more relaxing. Stay calm during the midweek. Maybe you are overthinking a lot due to which you can't sleep. By Tuesday, some people or the problem might disturb your peace, making you feel uneasy. Take steps to calm your nerves. Write down your thoughts in a notebook. Do physical activity and write down all the negative thoughts in the notebook and burn it in the candle. It will help you to release all your stress. Or the second way is try to do exercise. Being mindful of your inner peace will help you handle the stress and bounce back quickly. This particular week, it seems like that you are going to attract new opportunities. If you are hoping for an existing opportunity this week, good news is closer than you think. Share your dreams and goals with the people around you. When you put out positive energy into the world, out in the universe, you open the door to an amazing possibility. Stay hopeful, something wonderful would be coming your way. So Taurus, this particular week, to enhance your luck, try to wear more white color clothes and add the rose water in the bathing water. It will see what card have stood for you in this particular week. So this particular prediction is based on the sun sign and the moon sign. So better is if you take the guidance from both your signs. So that will be going to help you to get the better understanding. So for Gemini people, I have taken the 6 cards. And first, it seems like that you have to be a little bit kinder to yourself in this particular week. You have been working hard towards some goal, starting a project or taking some course, or you may be learning something new, but you might feel like that you are not doing enough. Instead of you feel like low on energy. Focus on enjoying the journey, trust that you are on the right path and that your hard work will pay off in the end. The next, it seems like that you have to revive an old opportunity. This week, an idea or the idol you started but forget about might come back into the focus. An unexpected person could inspire you to see it from the fresh perspective. Give it a shot. You might see progress before the week ends. Stay open to the new possibilities and keep an eye out for the opportunities to move forward. This is a week you have to trust the people you have chosen. If you have recently selected someone to help with a project or the task, take a leap of faith and trust their abilities. Believing in them will not only boost your confidence but also strengthen your bond with them. And this trust can lay the foundation for a stronger and a more successful partnership. So just go ahead with the trust and faith. To enhance your luck in this particular coming week, try to chant Radhe Radhe for at least 12 minutes in the morning. Cancer, moon sign, let's see what cards hold for you in the coming week. So this particular prediction is based on the sun sign and the moon sign. So I have taken all the planetary transit also, as well as I am taking I am checking the energies through the cards also. So this is a combination of predictions I have taken. So it seems like that this is a week where you are going to reassess your goals with a kindness. This week you might wonder if the goals you are working on are truly right for you. Challenges may have made you doubt your abilities, but don't be too hard on yourself, Moonchild. See these challenges as a valuable learning experience. When you reach your goal, you will have skills and knowledge that will stay with you for the life. So this is a week where you are going to expand your social circle. Even if you already have good friends, this is a great time to meet new people and explore fresh perspectives. If you get invited into a social event, say yes to that. Connecting with the people from different background will enrich you emotionally and helping you grow into more dynamic person. This is a week where you have to invest in learning for the future success. If you're thinking about starting a business or joining a new project but feel insecure about your skills and the knowledge, now this is a perfect time to learn. Take a course or attend a seminar. Gaining knowledge now will boost your confidence and help you make the most of the future opportunities. Remember, preparation is a key to the success. Cancer, this particular week is all about reflecting, learning, growing. Be open to the new ideas, embrace the challenges and invest in yourself for a better future. Leo, so I have taken the 6 cards for you and this particular prediction is based on the planetary placement as well as I have taken the card. So try to check both your moon sign as well as the sun sign. If Leo is your moon sign or the Leo is your sun sign, so this particular prediction is applicable for you. So after seeing all the cards, it seems like that first that you have to believe in yourself in this week. You might face a challenge or the need to prove your abilities, which could make you feel a bit nervous. But it seems like where the famous Leo confidence is, because Leo being you are popular because of your confidence. Remember how talented you are, how smart you are and how capable you are. Trust yourself. There is no reason to doubt your skills. So you should try to spend more time with your own self and see how skillful you are and be confident, Leo, this time. This particular week you have to find the good in every situation. A recent disappointment may have left you feeling down, confused, but this week bring fresh hope and inspiration to understand your own self. Use this new perspective to refocus on your goals and leave the past behind. This could be a turning point for you. This particular week, make sure that you're ignoring the gossip. Midweek, someone casual comment or gossip might make you feel uneasy about your own image. Don't stress. People who truly matters won't be unnecessary chatter, doesn't matter to them. Keep your confidence high and focus on what genuinely important to you. Recharge yourself through the social time. By the weekend, you might feel tired, tempted to skip the social plans. But if you push yourself to go out and meet people, you will be surprised and how refreshed and energized it makes you feel. Social interaction will lift your mood and will help you to lift your mood and recharge your soul also. So this particular week, try to spend more time with your own self and to enhance your luck. Offer water to sun. It will help you to overcome the challenges that you may face in this particular week. So let's see what card is holding for you in this coming week. So this particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the sun sign. I have taken all the planetary transit as well as I'm checking the energies of this particular week. So if Virgo is your moon sign or Virgo is your sun sign, then try to check this. It will help you to take the guidance for the coming week. So Virgo, first it seems like that you are going to lose your boundaries and build the connection. You have set strong boundaries to protect yourself from the hurt or uncomfortable situation. That's completely understandable. However, those boundaries might also be keeping you away from someone you truly want to connect with. This week, consider try to adjust those limits to give the relationship a chance. Be brave. You can open to your heart. You can open to your heart while still keeping it safe, allowing for a deeper and more meaningful connection. Start now, even if it's not a perfect. You have been waiting for the perfect moment to start a new project or the goal or a personal relationship, thinking everything needs to be just right. But ask yourself, is that just an excuse or to delay something? Perfection may never arrive, and that's okay. This week, take the first step. The opportunity waiting for you might not be the flawless, but it could turn out even better than you imagine. So just Libra, let's see what does the week hold for you. So this particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the sun sign. So I have taken the energies of the week, what is going to happen in this particular week, as well as I have taken the planetary alignment also, how things are. On the basis of this predictions has been done. So first it seems like that this particular week you have to make time for yourself. This week you will feel strong desire to pamper yourself, and you should also do it. You often put others' happiness first, but now it's a time to focus on your own self. Do what brings you comfort, peace and joy, and even if it means putting others' concern aside for a while. This time for the self-care is something you truly deserve, Libra. So just stick to the self-love this particular week. Second thing what seems here is that you have to share your knowledge. You might get a chance to guide or mentor someone who admires you or may ask you advice or help learning something new, whether it's a teaching a skill or sharing a new life lesson. This experience will be meaningful for both of you, so go for it. This particular week you may meet someone inspiring. By the end of the week you could meet someone interesting who lift your energy. You will feel an instant connection and might want to spend more time with them over the weekend. Their inspiring presence will help you wrap up your week in a beautiful way. Don't hesitate to nurture this new uplifting connection in your life. So this particular week, try to spend time with your own self, especially on Friday. Try to do something that makes you happy. Scorpio, let's see how will be this particular week. So this particular prediction is based on the planetary alignment, and I'm checking the energies for the coming week. So this particular prediction is based on the Scorpio moon sign and the sun sign. If Scorpio is your moon sign and the sun sign, then this particular prediction is applicable for you. So first it seems like that this particular week you have to trust the praise but stay alert. You might feel that someone praise or attention has an underlying motive. It's good to be conscious, but remember that their kind word could be genuine too. Recently, you have achieved something that highlighted your skills and talent. Stay aware of their intentions and protect your interest, but don't ignore the fame you have earned. This particular week, you have to explore to the new financial opportunities. If you have been thinking about ways to increase your income, now it is the right time to take an action, whether it's taking on a second job, selling something valuable, or starting parallelly a new business. Exploring other options, staying alert to the opportunities can improve your financial situation. This particular week, you have to use your creativity and confidence. This week, your creativity and communication skills are at their peak. If you have been putting off a presentation, proposal, or an important request, now this is a perfect time to move forward. You will feel more confident and daring, making it easier to express your needs clearly and achieve your goals. Take advantage of this opportunity to bring your plans to the life. So try to work in this particular week, and to overcome the challenges, try to donate sweets to the needy on Wednesday. It will help you. Sagittarius, let's see what the week hold for you. So this particular prediction, I have taken all the planetary alignment for this particular week, as well as I am checking the energies of the week from the tarot. So this particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the sun sign. If Sagittarius is your moon sign or the Sagittarius is your sun sign, then try to seek the guidance from this. So Sagittarius people, this particular week, step into the spotlight. This week you have a chance to shine in an area you have been eager to make a progress in. Even if you don't feel fully prepared, take the leap and move forward. Giving it to your best shot might not only lead to a great result, but also open the door to a new opportunities. This particular week, find the inspiration from your role model. Someone you look up as a source of inspiration might be going through a tough time this particular week. Don't let this lessen your respect for them. Observe how they handle the setback. It will remind you of the strength during this time and teach you the importance of patience on your own journey. Surround yourself with a positivity. If you're feeling fear or doubt about a new venture, distance yourself from the people who feed into those insecurities. Instead, spend time with those who are full of confidence and positivity. Their positive energy will boost your self-belief and restore your confidence in your goal. Resolve the family tension. A long-standing disagreement with a family member might finally be resolved this week. They may recognize their mistake even they don't fully admit it. This could bring a sense of peace and closure to the situation. Capricorn, let's see what is a week holding for you. So this particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the sun sign. If Capricorn is your moon sign and the sun sign, this particular prediction is for you. And here we have taken the planetary alignment as well as we have checked the energy of the week. So it seems like that this particular week you have to recognize your true supporter. This week you may realize that someone you didn't fully trust actually understands and supports you. This person sees a quality in you that even your closest friend might have missed. It could be a rare connection, someone who truly understands, like your soulmate. Take time to connect with them on a deeper level. They could become an important part of your life. Signs of a financial relief. There could be a positive change in your financial situation this week. You may receive money from a loan repayment, late payment, or a sale of something valuable. While the amount may not be large, it will bring relief and boost your confidence. It shows there is a financial improvement in this particular week. This particular week, you have to clarify your need. By midweek, you might feel the desire to be alone in order to focus on your task and recharge your energy. However, your close one might interpret in a sign of trouble in your relationship. Make it clear that you need some time alone. It is just to focus and regain the energy, not an issue with them. Honest communication will help clear up any misunderstanding this particular week. Aquarius, let's see what cards hold for you for this particular week. So this particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the sun sign. If Aquarius is your moon sign or the sun sign, then this particular reading is for you. And try to connect to your own self, because here we have seen the planetary alignment as well as the energies for the week. So Aquarius, this particular week you have to prioritize your own self. This week, getting enough rest and relaxation will be essential for your success. Even though it may seem impossible with your busy schedule and the complex task, balancing hard work with a proper sleep and relaxation will boost your stamina and clarity. This will help you achieve your goals more. You will be able to achieve your goals more easily this particular week. Stay firm in negotiation. By the midweek, you may find yourself caught up in a negotiation that feels exhausting. Don't be tempted to settle for less just to get it over with. Even if you need to make some small compromises, you are in a position to get most of your demand met. So don't give up. Take the bold step towards your goal. Whether you are pushing a personal passion or looking to advance in your career, this week is ideal for making progress. Share your inspiration with the right person. Consider joining a club or organization related to your goals. The connection and the knowledge you gain now can greatly increase your chances of success. Pisces, let's see what cards hold for you for this week. This particular prediction is based on the sun sign and the moon sign. If Pisces is your sun sign and the moon sign, then try to relate to your own life. So this particular week, it seems like that you are going to consider a new partnership. Someone may be someone may be wanting your help or the partnership on an important project. This week they might directly ask you, or you will need to make a decision. Even though this might not be most convenient time for you, it could turn into an existing or rewarding opportunity. Stay open to making it work. Focus on the spatial relationship this particular week. You have been seen so busy chasing your big goals that you might have unintentionally neglected someone important in your life. This week, give attention to this relationship. Spend quality time with this person and nurture the bond you share. Strong relationship need care and attention you grow. Appreciation will come your way. If you have felt unappreciated by someone close to you, this week might change that. They could finally express how much you mean to them. Enjoy this moment and fully experience the connection. It will remind you of how valuable you are to the people around you. If you like the prediction, if you find it resonating with your own life, then please share this video with your loved one and like, comment and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.